Okay, let's start this out right. Heat your grill up. Place that chicken on a hot grill. Don't worry, you won't burn yourself. Turn the burners off that are under the chicken. Might be 2, might be 3, I don't know. You heard off, right? Keep that grill between 3 and 350. Indirect heat, no flare-ups. Look at that chicken after an hour and 10 minutes. Does it get any better than that? If we're gonna get that chicken club sandwich started, let's cut some provolone. Tomato. Look at that. We have to make that bread toasty, don't we? That is perfect. Stop wasting time. Put that chicken on. And some provolone. That broiler should be on. Let's go. Look at that cheese melting. Okay, let's finish it so we can get to tasting. Add some lettuce. And some bacon. Come on, it's a club. Top it with tomato. Top on, push it down. See it spring back? Let's cut it in half and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. It has to taste good. Oh yeah, it does.